There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Challenger RT in max steel. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED split tail lamps, heated front seats, power sunroof, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 5.7 V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS6062A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.